The factories of India or the manufacturing sector accounts for 17% of India's GDP. But last several years have not been so good for this sector. That has been due to economic slowdowns and disruptions like demonetization, implementation of GST, and lately the COVID pandemic. This segment of the economy has seen the worst layoffs ever. It is difficult to understand the carnage if you have not been directly impacted by it. Manufacturing sector in India has seen actually a 46% reduction in workforce over last 5 years. In year 2016-17, the sector employed 5.1 crores people in India. In 2020-21, the figure has fallen to only 2.7 crores. The first wave of layoffs was seen in post-demonetization period. It was 24% reduction in workforce in just 1 year. Then came COVID. The post-COVID period, this sector saw another hit of 33% of reduction in workforce in just 1 year. Another major sector that employ a very high number of people is real estate and construction. This sector too has suffered a massive loss of employment. In 2016 and 17, the sector was actually employing around 6.9 crore people. However, it has got rid of nearly 23% of its people and it hires now only 5.3 crores. Most other sectors remain unaffected. Neither there was an increase or decrease in employment. However, agriculture sector saw a 10% increase in workforce. Now, this is something which is contrary to good economics, as this leads to proxy unemployment. What happened is that layoffs in real estate and manufacturing sector increased the dependency of people on rural and agricultural jobs. This data was about past 4-5 years. Now, we need to also look at the present and understand if there is any ray of hope. As per CMIE, early results from March 21 quarter are indicating that manufacturing sector is turning around. According to CMIE, the growth is coming from non-financial businesses in the economy, which is very welcome change because traditionally we have seen banking leading in the entire earning game, but in the last quarter financial sector top line grew by a meager 1.7%. In comparison, non-finance companies actually recorded a growth of 16%, which is a very good number when we compare it with last 5 years. So, how is the investment outlook for this sector? Dalal Street Journal recently published an interview with Mahesh Patel. Mahesh Patel is head equity at Aditya Birla AMC. He was asked about his picks for the future. He highlighted that manufacturing in India is one of his important themes. According to him, what works in the favor of manufacturing is the lower base for this sector, low need for capex because these plants are running at less than full capacity, production linked incentive scheme announced by central government, which is a massive boost in the times to come, optimized cost structure because most of these companies have restructured their businesses in a manner that they are saving a lot of cost, and global momentum to shift factories away from China. Aditya Birla AMC runs a manufacturing theme fund. Its performance, if we compare over 5 years, has not been that great, and understandably so because the sector has been going through a lot of stress. However, if we compare it on 6 months, 3 months, 1 month basis, it shows you a trend that it is beating its benchmark, and there is an investor optimism. I would like to bring to you another fund called ICICI Prudential Manufacturer in India Fund. This fund has similar portfolio, in the sense that similar theme portfolio. But if you look at the performance of this particular fund, this is even better than Birla. This fund has been beating its benchmark on 2 year, 1 year, 6 months, 3 months, and even on 1 month basis. Manufacturing in India should pick up and can be the theme of this decade. However, nothing can be said with guarantee when it comes to equity market. So investors should allocate sectoral funds in their portfolio according to their risk appetite and their milestones. So there is a disclaimer also from my side that nothing in this presentation should be treated as advice. This is just an effort to share knowledge, and we'll just keep it limited to that. Thanks for watching.